No, it is.
All right, we're out here in the Phoenixes of Phoenixes, as you can see, Estrella Mountains, and we got the fucking plantation. We're not gonna hike this mountain today because we're worried for my car. But another day when we got a 4x4, we're able to take it straight to the mountain. That's what we're doing.
How far you think to get there? How far we'll walk?
Man, of a walk, a couple more miles, at least 5 gruesome miles. Hopefully we don't have to really go through that much fences because we are passing through private property. So keep that in mind.
Oh, where we're at.
We could be getting lost right now as we speak.
That. And you see about to cross the fence. Good thing there wasn't any wild animals in here. But
It's just too beautiful, bro.
really nice.
Alright guys, as you can see, we have those big mountains back there. But we cannot climb it as we had parked in a no parking zone. And we're gonna go back to see if the car's still there. Hopefully, pray it's still there. Honestly.
All bad.
And then, yeah, everything went bad today. But we still came out here to try to do something. Get as close as we can to those mountains. And yeah, seeing the backside. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to come here a second time and actually do it. It looks demon mode. Yeah, man. I'm excited for next time. But today was an L day. Yeah, we're just gonna hang up.
Check it out.
You wanna go down there? There's hella bugs. Especially right here.
So you see spiders or what?
I don't know.
Fuck.
What are those?
No, just some big ass ants, but you know, curiosity kills a cat. Is it black, bro? Or it looks like something like black is covering it? Or is just a black rock in there?
I didn't have no water in my crib, so we're gonna fill it up here. This is the next machine. Has no weight on it currently, but we're probably gonna throw some 25s so we could do the maximum amount of reps we could possibly do. But let's go search for that. We did like 3 back exercises, and I'm not the biggest gym head, so I don't really know what to hit for the most part. But we're gonna move on to shoulders now. I got some honey stingers, mini energy waffles. Now it says serving size is 3. Just like a cracker. So we're on the burnout machine, and the reason I call it burnout is because we're just gonna grab onto these handles. Now 20. You basically go until you physically cannot. 15. Kill it. 10 pounds. Let's do it. They're gone. Shoulders are gone. But now we're gonna move to the treadmill. Before that, bathroom break. Alright, back in the bathroom. before every run. I like to throw these like these knee shits. I don't even know what you call it. Took out my shoe and just throw this shit in. Boom. But we're gonna see when we're running how it makes me feel.
A la verga.
We're ready. My phone here. About a 5 pace. Now, for 6 miles, we're gonna attempt this. Okay, so as you can see, we racked up 2 miles, 25 minutes. Bro, I'm dead as fuck. I'm dead as fuck. But that's just the first 2 miles. We still have a long time to go. I'm feeling pretty dead. Maybe that energy helped me, because I never ran 25 miles or 25 minutes on the treadmill at once. Okay, so it keeps putting down my speed. I don't know why it keeps doing that. And the timer is going down, so I don't know. Maybe it's telling me to cool the fuck down. But that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to hit 6 miles. Hopefully it lets us. But we're in flow state right now. Everything's hurting, but I don't plan on stopping. Not anytime soon. Let's keep going. Alright. So the treadmill meal kept going down in speed to the point where I would put on like 5.5. It would go down to 4.1 in like a minute. Like, bruh, I'm not trying to keep changing it and shit. I was hoping to hit 6 miles just right there, but it kept going down the speed. And we'll give it a shot, maybe outside or just go on the treadmill another day. But for now, we're gonna call it a day. Hello everyone, today is Camelback Day. I'm with the big Chris and we're gonna get to it. At Camelback over here, got Chris, got Adrian, got my Goku shirt. You feel me? And I'm feeling strong right now. Feeling hella strong. Ready to climb this shit. Got my water. And we're gonna do some warm-ups right now. They got the bananas. I'm about to definitely smack one of those. It was a struggle to find parking today. Never is. Today it was, but you know, a lot of training, so this should be a cake. And they fucking took all the bananas. So since this is like my 5th, 6th time doing Camelback, kind of doing a little bit of exploring. Now, this is not a rare area to be at. I never been over here though.
Hey, you know this area's closed. Why you here, fool? This area's closed.
I'm going fuck, fool.
Get out of this area, ese.
Hey, that ass, fool.
We go right.
I dead ass don't give a fuck about what you gotta say, fool. You gotta. Where the fuck we going? I see some staircases over there. Woo-hoo. I see some staircases right here.
Hey, let's go to Bobby Rock's trail. I know him well. Huh? The Bobby Rock.
The fuck is this, fool? The fuck is this, nigga? The fuck is this, nigga? Yeah. What the fuck?
Let's go get some 15 warrior homeless people. Have them gladiator fight right here.
Right here, huh?
Smoking crack.
We don't condone the crack.
You're right.
Not that
I
shit.
do. I can go to the JGC and sell the substance crack.
I endorse it.
Is this a trail?
Seems like we're just following the nature, huh?
That's how it's supposed to trail.
Go forward.
This we're going back to where this we came from. I don't want to go there. No, it is, but they just put these here. They wanted to do the best to close it off.
We kind of shortcutted, huh?
Yeah. Dang, your shit's still going.
Or
Yo.
Alright, your turn.
My turn.
Let's see how they do, huh? Ready?
Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
So I never recorded an outro. So here's the outro. Got down from Camelback. It was a great mountain. But that's it for today's vlog. These are a bunch of clips that I got from videos I was trying to make, but I didn't really put a full video together because my camera died, or sometimes I low-key just get too fucking tired and I just say fuck recording, which I should not do. I should be recording. So I need to get a habit into just recording literally everything. So yeah, but as the days go, my vlogs will improve. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this one. Be posted up, waiting for a new video, because I'm always doing some shit. So subscribe.